Hello guys, today we will be mixing oil and water. Now this is the preparation for filtrating. So what we have here is I'm just mixing the water into the oil. You'll get a closer shot as I put it in front of the camera right here. And then here's a clearer shot of the oil and water mix. You can see that the oil is on the top and maybe sticking to the sides, but it's not mixing into the water. Here I kind of mixed it up a little bit to kind of homogenize the mixture a little bit more, but that's not going to happen because oil is less dense than water and it's just not going to mix as well as I like. But anyways, I will be showing you the equipment of this experiment. What we have here is the other glass bottle, which I put the water in. And then what we have here is a bunch of paper towels. Now this is what we're going to use for filtration. You can also use coffee filters, but this is much more easier because it's much more easier to find. Not everybody has coffee filters, and that is why I'm using this paper tissue. What I'm doing is I'm putting the paper tissue on top of the glass, and I'm just making a little indent in the middle, kind of like a bowl shape, a U shape, so that it holds the water and the oil mix nicely. See, I'm just pressing down in the middle of the glass there. That's just happening in there. And I've grabbed a rubber band so to secure the tissue in place. This is optional. You can also do it without the rubber band, but it's much nicer and it's not going to drip anywhere. And I struggled with the rubber band for quite a bit, but here it is. I'm showing you the kind of bowl shape of the tissue. I'm showing you this U shape with my fingers so that it just holds the water oil mixture nicely. I'm shaking it a little bit in an attempt to homogenize the mixture, but I'm going to put it onto the filter. You can see that dripping liquid under it is the water. It's successfully kind of filtering the oil and the water together. Now I put it on a paper and a towel so that it doesn't drip out everywhere and get wet. And here's the last of the mixture onto the glass. And there, we've successfully kind of just filtrated oil from water. Now I took a bit of time taking out the rubber band, and now I'm just taking the filter and pouring the liquid that's left on it onto the other glass. Now I kind of made sure, this is me making sure that it was oil, and it was all oil. This is water as well on the other side. This is oil. This is the water we filtered. Now I'm taking the rest of the filter. I'm taking a bit of a smear on my fingers just so show that it's oil. I'm just taking it to the side there. Here is the inside of the glass. You can see that there are a bit of water in there, but we've kind of successfully filtered the oil from the water. So that's how you filter oil from water with some paper towels. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Thanks.